Welcome to MRiK. So today is a Monday. We came after a weekend. We got two of the Range Rovers in the house. This one is TD6 and this one it's a 3-liter supercharge. So both of the range, they come with a similar problem. This one, the gear shifter knob broke. So from where you press the button, put the drive or reverse, that's broke down. Same with this one. So whenever this thing happens, you can't do anything. It's just the towing is the option on a flatbed. So both of the things got towed on flatbed. And this one we fixed it last year with a Land Rover part. That's a plastic part. It only stayed up to a year, break again. So we try to find out the proper solution. We got a aftermarket supplier for the knob for both of this. So we have a new stock with the steel knobs on these ones. So we can replace the complete assembly for the shifter knob. If you guys do own the same Range Rovers with the same shifter knobs, you can hit us up. We're gonna fix this one on time for sure. So if you guys do have the same Range Rovers, this comes from 2014 to 2020 with a similar shifter knobs, you can contact us. We're happy to fix your Range Rovers. All right, so number two is this blue 2008 Porsche. It's a Porsche Cayenne, and that's our regular client's car. So just to let you guys know, if you guys do own any Porsches, any of the Macans, Cayenne, Panamera, Cayman, 911, 993, any Porsches, you name it, we're happy to work on those ones. So this came in, my client, they just sold the car. So it came in for a safety certification for the transfer for a new owner. So the condition of selling on this vehicle was, the new owner want to see the bore scope video, what that is. So they want to see how the piston looks from inside, whether they are bad or good, if the cylinder head have a scoring inside or any coolant leak. That's what bore scope described when we. So we're going to make a video of that and forward to our client, and he'll probably show to the new buyer. And also this car needs the new brakes, and we're going to put the new brakes, and all four rotors, they are cross drilled, and it's a 3-piece rotors. They are not cheap, they are expensive ones. So let's see, we're going to replace all the brakes and put the safety and the bore scope in it and deliver back to the customer. Move to the next car. Alrighty, so finally the engine is out from this beautiful Prelude. So we take apart. Let me show you what's happening with it. So this is the existing engine. We take it out from the car. So there is a couple of mods. We need to transfer a lot of stuff from this engine to the other one. So that's the new one we're going to swap. So the very first thing, we have to change the crank plate sensor, because the existing engine comes with a crank sensor in it. And this is from other vehicle. That's the reason it doesn't have any of the crank sensor plate here. So in order to replace, we need to take apart the pans of both of engines. This one we already did it, and the plate is out. This one we're going to replace that plate. Let me show you what it is. This is a pan, and we got the plate. It's right on the other side. Alrighty. So this is the plate. That's right mount on the side of the crank. It comes with a built-in sensor. So this don't have a sensor. The other plate, we switch it from that engine that's equipped with a plate. That is the first thing we're going to change on this. And other thing, we're going to change the intake manifold. So we're going to put the existing intake manifold on this one. Exhaust manifold too, we need to change it, because the one we take it out from the car, that's a titanium one. And also we're going to change the timing belt on this, because most of the old JDM engines, they comes with a timing belt. So we already take out the engine. So we try to save customers almost 6 hours of labor. Just to do the older JDM engines, it's almost 6 to 8 hours labor just to open one side of the engine to replace the whole timing belt and tensioner and water pump. So that is what we're going to do today.
Bad bitch, sweeter than molasses. Shit got gliss on my wrist like a MRiK. Bitch, she a rich little bitch with some baggage. Shit
finally we got this everything back together. It's fixed. So this 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Sport came to our workshop with the gear selector shifter malfunction. Very common failure on these is they do get internal failure inside them. So we got that fixed. So it's all set, and we're doing the final test drive before we give this car to the customer. And we have no more dash lights like check engine light or any other light. It's all clear.
So here we got one of our friend's car. It's a lease car, so he's going to own it. So before to transfer the title to ownership, we need to do the safety on it, and it's almost 70 Ks on a car. So all four brake need to be changed. Rather than putting the just pads, we replacing both rotors and pad on this. So if you guys do want the safety on your vehicles, feel free to give us a call or just text us. We'll help you out. All right, guys, so it's September and almost the summer is gone. Still, we got some free-on problems. Like this is 2020 Nissan Qashqai, and this thing has got leak. So last time when they came in for a free-on refill, we put the dye inside. So let me tell my customer how we can check the free-on leak. So we got this kind of dye, the green color. So we have a special UV light with glasses to check where it's leaking. So right now it's leaking right from here. As you see, wherever it leaks, it's a spot like this. This is shiny. That's a black spot right here. So that is something where the Freon leaks. So this was done probably 2 months ago, and this got leak. So it's covered under warranty. So MRiK Auto, they cover for almost a year of any of the brand new parts. So this thing is going to replace under warranty today. So even if you guys do have any of the warranty thing going on with us, you can just give us a call. We'll help you out with that thing. Now move to the next car. Alrighty, so this is the fourth car in this month. Came from dealership, and they don't have the part. So there's a problem with the alternator on this almost brand new 2023 GLC 300. And when others says no, we say yes, as you know that. So we got the call from the customer. They're looking for alternator, and luckily we have in stock. That's the brand new, almost brand new engine car. So they are 2025, 2026 GLC, same engine, 2-liter, 4-cylinder. So we order the alternator. It's going to be here tomorrow morning by 8 to 9 o'clock. So any of the cars, alternators, feel free to give us a call. We can help you out. We have a bunch of big warehouse suppliers. They have almost every alternator, AC compressors in stock. And that's it for this car. If you like our videos, subscribe, press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much. Over and out.